Good morning, everyone. It is day 3, about to go to the Quail Lodge to see some awesome cars. Let's get rolling.
Only during Monterey Car Week is the parking lot like a car show. Look at this parking lot. Pentador SV. There it is up there. Well, I don't know how to sum up the Quail other than there's a Wyra BC, Regera RS, 10 Veyrons, a Chiron, there's more Bugattis than I can count. This is one hell of an event. The love I feel is deep inside. The others don't matter. It's honestly us against the world. Some guy over here, I think he has a YouTube channel or some shit. What's up? Going in, sitting in a Wyra BC. I did, didn't I? Wow.
Marked by the return of an elite 2017 NSX Supercar and the debut of a new styling direction in the Acura Precision.
This is incredible. First time seeing a 911R up close. In my opinion, this is kind of what the GT3 should have been, even though driving the GT3 was one of the most awesome experiences ever. I do think they should have had the wing of the GT3 though. It was a nice addition. Behind me is the NSX GT3, and to be honest, I think they should make the road car look more like this. Look how aggressive this is. That wing is awesome. Getting to see the Centenario for the first time, and this is actually the Roadster version, so very special opportunity, and it looks a lot better in person than it does in pictures. So we're with the owners of this Reventon. So this is the 7th one?
This is the 7th car built. Here's the owner. And it's a full carbon fiber body car. Designed by Lamborghini, 650 horsepower. So it's about 10 more horsepower than was on the LP 640.
Yep.
What we can say is it's really a souped up Murcielago.
Yep.
I mean, it's a great looking car. It takes design cues from the F22 Raptor.
Yep.
Come around. So we've got, these are carbon fiber inserts. They actually draw heat out. I think they reduce heat within the wheel by 30%.
Wow.
So, I mean, they have huge effect. It's not just for design. And then, of course, another intakes here. This is very interesting.
That's very cool.
This is actually it's a fueler cap, but it was milled from a whole chunk of that.
Wow.
As you can see. We've got the engine bay 12 here. So these flaps come up. It also has a rear flap as well that comes up at 7 speed.
Wow.
These are special heat-proof LED headlights. It gets to around 1,200 degrees with the engine. So these headlights are specially designed to, not melt in the heat. Of course, cooler fans, titanium exhaust. The Aventador has a similar design cue, but yeah.
Can I see the inside?
Please come on, have a look. Stunning motor car. So we've got a liquid crystal TFT display in here. If I grab the quick key.
Look at this. I have never seen the inside of a Reventon. Oh my gosh, fantastic. I've got to come around back. Startup of a Reventon. crap, that is amazing. Wow.
Get to about 8,000–9,000 revs. So
Oh, look at that
right here.
instrument cluster. Wow.
Should I give it another?
Wow. That is awesome. It's like inspired by a fighter jet. Look at those carbon paddles.
There's actually a G-force meter in the center.
That's awesome. I am sitting inside a Reventon. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Oh my god. I am freaking out. So this wheel was unfortunately damaged on the way in, as many people have already seen on the internet, and this cost $29,000 for one wheel. That is insane. Probably took the whole damn car apart. Just stumbled onto another McLaren P1 GTR, and it is on the road. Christian Koenigsegg himself up there. One of the nicest, most brilliant people on the planet, taking pictures with fans. Oh my god, an S65 AMG Cabriolet. Look at this. And this is just in the parking lot. Look at this Gallardo, it's exactly the same as Candace, the one I had. Beautiful. Well, that was probably the most spectacular car show I've ever been to. A Reventon, McLaren P1 GTR, McLaren F1, Regera, there's so many freaking cars and names, I can't even remember them all. So I'll have to watch the video back myself because, oh my god, was that a memorable experience.